it's Christina Hitchcock with Old National Investments. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it. They say money doesn't grow on trees, and there's no such thing as a free lunch. But the truth is, you might actually have money you don't know about. And no, I'm not talking about the $20 bill in the pocket of last year's coat. In the United States, there are approximately $43 billion in unclaimed dollars. Where does unclaimed money come from? Sources include unclaimed money from federal and state returns, unclaimed money from back wages, uncashed checks, and forgotten utility deposits. So how do you find out if some of that money is yours? It takes a bit of detective work. There's no central repository to look at, but the federal government has some tips to guide your search. Start your hunt at unclaimed.org. Make sure you search all of the states that you have lived in. Next, check with the IRS for any refunds that might have gone unclaimed or undelivered. Also, check out the Wage and Hour Division at the Department of Labor website, just in case you have some unclaimed wages out there. Good luck with your search! I hope you have found this information useful. As always, feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I would love to talk with you about your financial goals. Until next time, thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.